If you've lost your remote or it's malfunctioning, don't worry. Most Minka Aire fans offer manual reverse options that can save the day. There are three primary methods for manually reversing your Minka Aire fan. Newer models from 2023 to 2025 feature more accessible and clearly labeled manual reverse switches. The wall control switch is the most common method in fans installed after 2020. This switch is usually labeled forward/reverse or indicated by directional arrows, making it easy to identify and use. The motor housing switch is a small slide or toggle switch located near the light kit or on the side of the motor. This method requires ladder access but provides a reliable backup option when wall controls aren't available. Some older, basic Minka Aire models feature pull-chain reverse functionality. This typically requires a specific sequence of pulls and is less common in newer models. Before attempting any manual adjustments, it's crucial to turn off the power at the circuit breaker for safety. This is the most important step and should never be skipped when working with ceiling fans. Safety is the top priority when manually reversing your ceiling fan. The first critical step is to turn off the power to the fan at the circuit breaker, not just the wall switch. Next, wait for the fan blades to come to a complete stop. This may take 2 to 3 minutes depending on the fan speed. Never attempt to change the direction while the blades are still moving. Now locate the reverse switch. There are two common locations, on the wall control panel or on the motor housing itself. Let's examine both options. Once you've located the switch, flip it to the opposite position. The switch will typically be labeled with directional arrows or forward and reverse markings. Restore power by turning the circuit breaker back on. Then test the fan operation at the lowest speed setting to verify that the direction has changed successfully. For ongoing maintenance, test your manual controls quarterly during seasonal changes, and keep the switches clean and free of dust and debris. If the switch isn't responding, double-check that the circuit breaker is properly reset and ensure the fan has come to a complete stop before attempting the direction change again.